17-year-old running over two techies in Pune on May 19th has become the talk of the town, and there are questions that are being raised on the way laws are being implemented when it comes to road safety. Pune police has now defended police action in the Pune Porsche horror case, but they have also denied any pizza party took place at the police station. That something that the opposition raised. Pune police have also alleged that there was an attempt to cover up, and attempts were also being made to destroy evidence. Pune police are exploring the option of booking the father of the minor allegedly involved in the Porsche case. Let's look at some reactions.
हमारे जांच में ये स्पष्ट आया है कि ये जो जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड है यही गाड़ी चला रहा था और इसके लिए क्रोनोलॉजिकली जो एविडेंस जरूरी थे वो एविडेंस इकट्ठा किए गए हैं। उदाहरण के तौर पे जब वो घर से निकला था उसके घर के सिक्योरिटी गार्ड के पास की जो रजिस्टर है उसमें पहली एंट्री है कि ये लड़का, ये आरोपी ये गाड़ी लेके निकला है। इस प्रकार के सीसीटीवी फुटेजेस और अलग अलग एविडेंस, टेक्निकल एविडेंस के तौर पे हमारी निश्चित हुई है कि ये गाड़ी ये जुवेनाइल एक्यूज चला रहा था। All angles are being investigated, and I did say earlier a while back that yes, there was some attempt by the father of the accused to change the driver. That has come to light, and we are exploring application of section 201 IPC in the said case.
There was something that his father wanted to destroy, and he has destroyed so many clues which can help out in the investigation to Pune Crime Branch and Pune Police. Now officially the Commissioner of Pune Police has said that his father has destroyed some of the clues which was very much important for this investigation, plus he tried to exchange the driver after this whole incident happened. What NDTV is learning from the sources is that after the incident, driver was called by the accused father and his mother, and driver was told to take all the blame on him, that he was driving the car, and with that he will be getting money to take all the blame on himself. So this is a very big situation which has occurred right now, and Pune police has said that they are investigating more on this entire situation. Today the remand of accused father is going to get over, but Pune Crime Branch will shout for another 2 days because this entire case is getting more and more complicated every day. So now at 3 p.m. in the district court, Pune Crime Branch will shout for the extra remand of accused father.